Welcome back to Geosphere. Tim here. A new crack has opened on the flank of Mount Etna in Italy, and scientists warn this could be the trigger for something much bigger. Etna isn't just erupting lava. A massive part of the volcano is sliding into the sea, and if this fracture deepens, we could be looking at an unstoppable collapse and even a tsunami. Quick question. If a volcano near your home showed signs of splitting apart, would you stay or evacuate forever? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'll be reading them. Just days ago, Etna was partially closed to visitors after spectacular but dangerous eruptions sent lava streaming down the southern slope. Drone footage shows glowing rivers of fire and bursts of magma lighting up the night sky. Now new photos reveal a fresh fissure, a long crack opening near 2,980 meters, right in front of the summit crater cones. Authorities are worried this isn't just surface damage. Cracks like this often mean severe ground deformation. The volcano's structure itself is shifting. But what makes this crack different from Etna's usual eruptions? Etna is Europe's largest active volcano, towering 3,300 meters high and covering an area the size of a small country. But here's the terrifying part. The entire eastern flank is already sliding into the sea. We've seen this before. In Alaska and Norway, collapsing slopes triggered massive tsunamis. In Switzerland, mountain glaciers collapsed with almost no warning. If Etna's unstable flank gives way, the consequences could be even more catastrophic. Imagine millions of tons of rock crashing into the Mediterranean at once. So is Etna showing signs of heading in that direction? Right now, Etna is in what scientists call a paroxysm cycle. Short, violent bursts of volcanic activity. Lava fountains, ash plumes, and volcanic bombs are being hurled hundreds of meters into the air. Tourists have had close calls before, literally running from falling rocks. What makes this crack so concerning is that it suggests magma is intruding deeper into the volcano's structure. Normally, eruptions relieve pressure. But if magma is forcing its way sideways instead of up, it could destabilize the entire flank. This is why officials raised Etna's warning level to F1, meaning the risk of a dangerous event is higher than usual. But could this lead to something even larger than Etna's normal eruptions? Scientists know Etna's flank is already moving underwater, centimeter by centimeter. That sounds slow, but in geological terms, it's racing. If a major eruption or quake triggers a sudden collapse, a huge portion of the volcano could break off. The result? A mega tsunami racing across the Mediterranean. Coastal cities in Italy, Malta, even parts of North Africa could be hit within hours. Now, to be clear, this isn't guaranteed to happen tomorrow, but the new fissure proves Etna is shifting in ways that aren't normal. When mountains crack, they don't heal, they break further. So, what are scientists seeing right now in Etna's latest activity? According to the INGV, Italy's National Institute of Geophysics and Volcanology, Etna is still erupting at multiple vents. Lava flows continue to spread downslope, while tremors inside the volcano remain at high levels. Interestingly, earthquake activity has dipped slightly, but volcanologists warn this could just be the calm before the storm. Etna has a history of explosive surprises. The crack itself is atypical. This isn't a simple vent opening. It's a structural wound stretching across a stressed flank. And when magma keeps intruding beneath already weakened rock, that's when collapses happen. So is this the beginning of Etna's next major eruption, or something even worse? For now, authorities are keeping people away from the summit, but tourists still flock to Etna every day. It's breathtaking, but also unpredictable. One wrong step in its cycle, and the entire volcano could change shape forever. I'll keep you updated on what happens next. But let me know in the comments, do you think Etna will just keep erupting like normal? Or are we edging closer to a catastrophic collapse? Thanks for watching Geosphere. Stay safe and check out the video on screen